Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss chi-square test. The chi-square test, this is the notation of chi-square test, was given by Carl Pearson, and it is the most power and most useful non-parametric test or distribution free test. It measures the degree of discrepancy between observed frequency and theoretical frequency. That means this test is based on two frequencies, that are observed frequency and expected frequency. Thus the chi-square test is used to determine whether the discrepancy so obtained between observed frequency and theoretical frequency is due to error of sampling or due to chance. The chi-square was first used in testing statistical hypothesis by Carl Pearson and is defined by chi-square, that is equals to summation I equals to 1 to n OI, that means observed frequency, minus EI, that is expected frequency difference, and whole square divided by EI, that means expected frequency, and summation of OI equals to summation of EI, that is equals to n, that means total frequencies, with n minus 1 degree of freedom. This is the most important thing in chi-square is here we define the degree of freedom with n minus 1 number. Next are properties of chi-square distribution. Chi-square curve is always positively skewed. The number of degrees of freedom is the mean of the chi-square distribution. Number 3, the value of chi-square lies between 0 and infinity, and the value of chi-square increase with increasement in degree of freedom. The shape of chi-square curve depends on degree of freedom, but it is not a symmetrical distribution. Next, goodness to fit test. How we fit the test. A very powerful test for testing the significance of the discrepancy between theory and experiment is known as chi-square test of goodness of fit. And we know that the formula of chi-square is this. So it follows the chi-square distribution with n minus 1 degree of freedom. The goodness of fit test uses the chi-square distribution to determine if a hypothesized probability distribution for a population provide a good fit. Here we take one hypothesis and then we find it hypothesis is good to fit or reject, acceptance or rejection. That is the most important thing of the hypothesized population. Distribution is based upon difference between the observed frequency in a sample and the expected frequency obtained under null hypothesis. Here we take in every question a null hypothesis, that is H naught. Next is decision rule. How we accept or reject our null hypothesis. Accept null hypothesis is if chi-square is less than equals to chi-square alpha n minus 1, and reject H naught, that means null hypothesis, if chi-square is greater than equals to chi-square alpha n minus 1, where chi-square is calculated value of chi-square distribution and chi-square alpha n minus 1 is tabulated value of chi-square for n minus 1 degree of freedom. Here chi-square is calculated, we calculate using the formula, and chi-square alpha we find it from the table of chi-square test. and alpha is level of significance. Next question. A die is thrown 276 times and the results of these throws are given below. Number appeared on die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these are the given frequencies. Test whether the die is biased or not. First of all, we take null hypothesis H0, that is die is unbiased. That means there is no significant difference between the observed and expected frequency. So first of all, we find expected frequency for each digit. That means we find mean, and here it is the sum of frequencies over 6. It becomes 46. In order to find chi-square, we have OI, observed frequency, this is given in the statement, and EI, that is expected frequency. So we take it in null hypothesis कि both are equal. So in every case we take it as 46. Next we find OI minus EI whole square. It becomes 36, 196, 289, 169, 121, 169. So in this way chi-square value is becomes 980 by 46. It becomes 21.30. It is our calculated value. Next is conclusion. At 5% level, chi-square is 11.07 for 6 minus 1, that means 5 degree of freedom. We take it from table. First of all, we check how to find it from table. This is the chi-square test table, and in this question we have degree of freedom is 5 and percentage probability is 5%. So probability is 0.05, 5%, and degree of freedom is 5. So it becomes 11.07. Here we take degree of freedom, here we take probability. So it becomes 11.07. So, and the calculated value is 21.30. It is greater than from the table value. So H0 is rejected. That means die is not unbiased. So in this way we can conclude our chi-square test. It is rejected, our null hypothesis. Next, verify whether Poisson distribution can be assumed from the data given below. Number of heads and frequency. This is given in the statement. Next is null hypothesis H0. The Poisson distribution can be fitted to the data. We take it as our null hypothesis. Next is alternate hypothesis H1. Poisson distribution cannot be fitted to data. And we know that the Poisson distribution is probability at x equals to r is e raised to power minus m raised to power r by r factorial, where m is mean. So first of all we find mean, that is 2. Next is nr, because we multiply it at mean. So we find n0, that becomes 47 into e raised to power minus 2 raised to power 0 upon 0 factorial. It becomes 6.3 3, 6. That means it is equivalent to 6. Next we find N1. 47 into e raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 1 by 1 factorial. It becomes 12.72 and equivalent to 13. Next we find N2, N3, N4 and N5. So we find the table. X, it is from 0 to 5. Observed frequencies. First is 6, 13, 13, 9 or 8, 4, 2 and expected frequency, that is actual value. Next we find OI minus EI square by EI. So it becomes chi-square becomes 1.2864. So next we conclude. At 5% level of significance, chi-square, that means probability is 0.05 and it becomes 9.49 with degree of freedom is 4. Next we check it from table. Degree of freedom is 4 and probability is 0.5 and it becomes 9.49. So, and calculated value is 1.2864. It is less than 9.49. So our H naught is accepted. So Poisson distribution fit the data. So in this way we can apply chi-square test for acceptance or rejection of a given data. Thank you so much.